Hey, good afternoon. It's a few days later here. All right, I got it sorted out. We got the temperature gauge working. We got the fan on correctly. Well, actually, I hooked it up where it's grounded full time now, so that it'll always run as soon as you turn the key forward. I made mistakes in the other video, and that's on me. For whatever reason, it doesn't matter, I guess. First of all, I had all the sensors wrong. This sensor right here is for the gauges, for the temperature gauge. The one in the front is for the one I changed up there is for the ECM, and then the one over here is for the fan relay. I put a new one in. I just don't like how long it takes to turn the fan on. It already boiled over once when it hit about 212, so I'm not sure what that's all about. But anyways, that's the other one right there. So I just snipped it. I ran a ground wire right up to the front here. She's grounded. So the fan's on with the key. Back over, well, let me show you one thing here first. I had this kit right here for purging. I used it a few times. Basically, you connect this on here. This goes into this. And then this radiator cap screws onto the radiator. It's not sealing good anymore. So you get a few uses out of it and then no good. So I'd have to put a gasket or something in here to make this work again, or I'm not sure. I don't have the stuff here at this particular garage. So yeah, these things, they do good for a first few times, and after that it's garbage again. I need a new one of these caps. At any rate, so there we go. I filled it up with radiator fluid as best I can. We got the temp gauge working. Now, if you remember in the old video, I'll put a picture, I'll insert a picture right here. All right, somebody had that blue wire that you see all mangled up inside there connected to the relay in here. I since put all this back. I have it all taped off and everything. We're in good shape. Now that blue wire that was in the picture that I pulled off, I researched, took a lot of research too. And yeah, it's hard to find what color wire goes to this. Now I did order the FSM, the service manuals off of eBay, the 1984 Corvette, electrical and shop manual, the two shop manuals that they offer for these cars. It's not here yet. Today's a Tuesday. And they're not here, Tuesday afternoon. And I don't have them yet. They're not expected to be delivered till Thursday. So I searched around, and this blue wire that was connected over here for who the hell knows why actually belongs connected onto this temp sensor right here. So there we go. So now when we fire it up, I have temperature. Now I'm not scared to drive it with the overheating problem, because I could always tell what's going on. And there we go. Works great. So, I guess we're all set with that. One of my pulleys on either I think it's the AC is making a bunch of noise here. Let me turn it back on. Uh-oh. Maybe something isn't wired properly. That's just from shutting it off quick and turning it back on, get a backfire. You can hear a little clicking up here. Something here is making a little rattle. We'll investigate that further. Yeah, so we got her all together right now. Now we can drive the thing. So I'm gonna take it home tonight. And yeah, I'll turn the camera back on when we're doing a little cruise. Alrighty, and we'll see if she overheats again. Bye-bye. Alrighty, I'm back here just for a quick second. This is just for fun. I was gonna give it a wash, get rid of all the dust off it. And just for the hell of it, we're gonna see if, I haven't even opened the door yet. Let's see if we got any water leak from after sealing the new top. We'll see. This is the first time. I see a little bit on the seat over there, but that could be from the window. Nothing over here. Nothing on the console. Let's go check the other side. Yeah, it's the first time I wet it since I put the top on. Let's see why we're leaking here. Ah, from the front over here. We didn't even touch it here. So obviously there's a problem right here somewhere. Okay. Something to work on in the future then. Alright, so that was just a quick, just for the hell of it, we'll take a look at it. Yeah, so cool. Let me wash this up. We'll go for a ride. Bye. Alright, we got her all washed up. I'm driving it. It's been a couple miles now. And we're running at a steady 184. So everything seems to be fine. We'll find out here. I got a few more miles to go until I get home, but yeah, so far not bad. I definitely dig the seat being all the way back now. That makes a huge difference. Temperature staying good. Speedometer's working, tachometer's working, everything's doing good. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, we'll see. I gotta put a bunch of miles on it until I figure it out, but as of right now, I would say, yeah, we're doing good. So we're gonna end the video up right here, and yeah, that's it. At least we're on the road again. Still got a ton of work to do though. Tune up, you know, cap plugs, rotor wires. I gotta change the transmission fluid in this. I need 4 new tires. I haven't even pulled the tires off to even see what the brakes look like. So yeah, we got some work to do. And there we go. Alright, we ain't gonna beat on it too much. Let's get this thing, let's put some miles on her first. Alright, so yeah, that's it for now. Next video will be something, probably doing some more maintenance. Bye-bye. Alrighty, I'm back here. It's about 7 o'clock at night. And so far I put on about 25 miles on this thing. She's running nice and cool. Right around 190 the whole time. 190, 197. Always right there. Yeah, we're just enjoying. Yeah, I'm thinking it's fixed as far as the overheating goes. But then again, I haven't been on any long, what do you call it? Highway trips. So that might be a totally different deal then. But at this point, yeah, going on 26 miles right now. We're doing pretty good. Just driving by the ocean, not that you could see it. Anyways, yeah, so we're just driving around here, enjoying the night. And yeah, I'm loving this car. It's running so good. And this has this old crappy gas in it too. So yeah, wait till we tune it up, take all the air pump off and all that sort of stuff. She'll be real nice then. All right, so this is the real end of the video now. So far so good. We're doing all right here. Temperature is pretty good and no complaints. So alrighty then, that's it for now. Bye bye.